Hey everyone, it's your man Giush002 coming back at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing we're back to our usual, stuff, unboxing and reviews. And today the DHL guy brought me the VF-31E Chuck Mustang Custom DX Chogokin 1/60th. I've been waiting for this figure for a very, very long time. This rounds out the 5 Delta figures. So again, this is number 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this guy. That's going to be the part 1 is going to be the unboxing. Part 2 is going to be a review of fighter mode. Part 3 is going to be a review of Batroid mode. Part 4 is going to be a review of, part 3 is going to be Gearwalk. Part 4 is going to be Batroid. And, each of those reviews are going to be posted on the following days. So today's a Monday, so I'll have part 2 up Tuesday, part 3 up Wednesday, and so on and so forth. So anyway, let me pause the video and go ahead and cut this box open because it's still got the tape on it, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're back. So I just got the tape off. So you're seeing this in real time. I haven't opened this box yet, so you're looking at it at the same time I am. So we got the remove before flight, typical, cover. So here we have the VF-31E. So we'll get into this accessories in a second. And then looks like we just have the stand, and then the instructions, and that's it. So no reaction missiles. This one is the RVF's spec, so it doesn't have the gun on the back, but it has the radar dome. Anyway, let me go ahead and get this unboxed, and we'll check this out. Alright guys, so we're back. So we have the Valk here. We got the radar dome. Sorry about the zooming in there. We got the radar dome kind of stuffed in. I'm not going to go through the fighter yet. That's going to be for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and check out the accessories here. So let's see. So we've got 2 combat knives. We've got 2 pilot figures. Some of those devices that they use, I can't remember what those are called, but they come out of the rear of the craft here. And then we've got all the fixed pose hands here. So this is pretty much what I expected. I gotta be honest, I'm a little disappointed. I know that the Chuck's Mustang was the RVF style. But anyway, so yeah, so that's it. So that's the unboxing. I was really hoping that there would be some reaction missiles or something. I'm kind of bummed out about that. But like I said, his is a reconnaissance vehicle anyway. So I'm going to get into the fighter. But like I said, that video will get posted tomorrow. And then again, the day after that, I will do Gearwalk, and the final day I'll do Batroid. And I might even compare it to some of the other, figures that I have in my collection. And I'm going to do another video that has all 5 of the Delta figures kind of side by side, and just kind of compare and contrast all of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, be sure to leave a comment. Leave a like. If you want to, you got any thoughts or whatever, leave a comment. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. And I will talk to you in the next video. Peace.